All right, in this section I'm going to show you how to program the machine. You're going to need your frequency book. That's this right here. And if you want to follow along, I have mine open to page 63. And I've got the asthma and allergies comprehensive highlighted. So that's the one that I'm going to program in, for no other reason than I had to pick something. Okay. So, to start, turn it on, push the power button, and you'll see that it comes up saying Menu Group 1. And that's the group that we're going to begin in. So push Enter to enter that group. And then you're going to use your up arrow to go until you see it say Program. There's Program. And then to enter that function, push Enter. And now it says F0. That's the first frequency bank that you're in. You have 10 frequency banks, F0 through F9. And in order to program in this frequency bank, just push Enter again. And that gets this first digit flashing. Our first frequency in the book under Asthma and Allergies Comprehensive is 0.04. So you're going to push 0, 0, 0, your point is already there, 0, and 4. And then push Enter to save it. Now we've got the first frequency programmed into the machine. Push the up arrow to go to the next frequency bank. And you'll see it says F1. And that's actually your second frequency bank, but in any case, to program this bank, push the Enter key. You'll see that first digit starts to flash again. We're going to put in our second frequency, which is 0.37. So 0, 0, 0, 3, 7. Push Enter to save it. The up arrow to go to the next frequency bank. And now we're in F2. We're going to push Enter to program that bank. And the next frequency is 0.57. So 0, 0, 0, 5, 7. Push Enter to save it. The up arrow to go to the next frequency bank. Enter to program in that one. You'll see your cursors flashing over here. Our next frequency is 0.85. So 0, 0, 0, 8, 5. Push Enter to save it. The up arrow to go to the next frequency bank. Enter to program that bank. And the next one is 2.50. So 0, 0, 2, 5, 0. Enter to save it. The up arrow to the next frequency bank. Enter to program that one. Next frequency is 27.50. So 0, 2, 7, 5, 0. Enter to save it. The up arrow to go to the next frequency bank. Enter to program that. And the next one is 52.50. So 0, 52, 50. Enter to save it. The up arrow to go to the next frequency bank. Enter to program that one. And the next one is 95.75. 0, 9, 5, 7, 5. Enter to save it. The up arrow to go to the next one. Enter to program that. Our next one is 375.79. So 3, 7, 5, 7, 9. Enter to save it. the up arrow to go to the last frequency bank, enter to program that one, and the last frequency is 871.00. So 87100, enter to save that, and that's it. Now you've got all 10 frequencies programmed into that. If you wanted to look to see that you got everything right, just use your up arrow and it will run you through all of the frequencies. You can see which ones you've got in there. If you made a mistake, just stay on that frequency, push your enter button, and then reprogram it. Push your enter button to save it, and then check the rest of your frequencies. It's very simple. Okay, so to go to group 2, if you wanted to program now group 2, the easiest way really would be to just turn the machine off. Then turn it back on. Comes up saying group 1, and everything that we programmed in group 1 is still there in group 1. And to enter that and to use that, you would just push the enter button to go into group 1. And then you would use your up arrow to choose a mode, and we'll talk about that in the next video a little more directly. But for right now, turn it off. Turn it back on again. Comes up saying group 1. To go to group 2, use your up arrow. And your up arrow then says group 2. Push enter to enter group 2. Your up arrow to go to your program. Enter. And then begin the programming process just as we did in group 1. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the different modes, what they're for, and how to begin a treatment.